Hey everybody, this video is going to be a beginner tutorial on how to use Make for automation. If you are still copy pasting things from one platform into another, like from Google Forms into Google Sheets, in 5 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how you can completely automate that so you never have to do that again. So if we look on the screen here, we're on make.com. You can create a login for free. They'll give you basically like 100 tokens that you can use or 100 tries. So you can try things out, not even have to worry about it. If we look over here, all right, on the menu, we can go over to templates. You can see there's already so many different templates. So you can get ideas of different types of things you can do with this, right? And you can try these out. But what we're going to do in this video, we're going to actually create one, okay? So that you understand like how the interface with this works. Because even if you use one of these templates, you're still going to, want to be able to customize it for your own purposes. So if you go over here to scenarios, you can go ahead and click create scenario. And this is the interface here. So visual interface, you can click this plus sign here and you can see all different types of apps that you can connect with Make. And basically Make is going to let you connect as little or as many as you want. So you can connect Google Sheets, you can use webhooks, Airtable for data, Gmail, etc. You can even search and see what other possibilities there are. I mean, there's so many. You can connect Slack. In this scenario, we're going to use Google Forms and Google Sheets. But in future videos, you're going to want to pay attention to this because this is going to be a builder video. You're going to be able to look at future videos I create and see how it gets a little more complex, and we can use more apps and even use things like OpenAI to use that generative abilities. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple because it's a beginner video. So if we go over here, I created this scenario. You just add Google Forms. All you have to do, and this is kind of similar to Zapier, is you set up the connection. It's just going to be like a single sign-on type thing, very easy. Then you need to get the form ID, and how you do that. Okay, you go over here. If you see after these letters here, everything in between here, you just want to copy paste it, put it in the form ID. 2, as far as the limit, that's just a default, so you can click save. And then Google Sheets here. So same type of thing. You want to put the connection, search method, search by path. I put my drive and then the name of the ID and the sheet. So here are kind of the important parts. These are the variables. These are the values. So when you click into here, this is what you're going to see, right? I already ran this, so you can kind of see it gathered some data. It ran at 3 p.m. And these are the fields, right? Like if we go over here, I have this donut form. You have name, email, address, quantity. You just pull those in. So make sure one thing though, make sure you go under name, but then you go to text answers, right? And under that, you're going to see value. That's what you want for each of these. So literally just repeat that process for each one. Click save. Okay. And then you can set this as a schedule. And if you are a business, you're going to want to do that. But for these purposes of this video, if you just want to test it real quick, do run once. And whenever there's a new submission on the form, right, it's going to run. So let's just do one super quick. Submit. Okay, run once. You can see it ran. Okay. And if we go over here, you just saw this. So you saw this value. This is the one it automatically updated. So I hope that helps, guys. This is just a beginner video, so stay tuned for future videos. We're going to do some more complex workflows that can be really helpful for your business. See y'all next time.